everyone, we are back here again. Let's try to create this transition, this slide. Let's see what is so special about this slide. Let me just cut them and put them here, cut them and put them here, then run it. You see? It's very beautiful. Okay, if you like to learn how to create this thing, please like and subscribe and see our another videos. Okay, let's try to create it. At first, we need a new slide. In this slide, I downloaded this picture from the internet. You can use which picture you want. You go to format background and then insert your picture from here. Then after inserting your picture, the picture is set to the background and click on apply to all the slides. Now we need to add this shape, this icon. We go to icons. I'm really bad at finding things. If you saw my another videos, you'll really understand how bad I am at doing this thing. And I can't tell you how bad I am, but we are just going to wait to see what is happening. Okay. Let's see if we can find it or not. Okay, let's see if we can find it. Or hey, yes, we find it fast today. I don't know why, but it's good. It's a good thing. Now, after inserting the shape, we need to change the size and the color. We easily wait for it to download the picture. It takes a little time, but it's not important. We go here, change the shape wheel and increase it in size. That's really beautiful. You must always set the shape in the middle. It's it. Okay, we need to create this slide. For that, we need to have the text. I just simply copy the text and paste them here. Okay, I don't want you, I just want the text. We delete you. Now we copy another time this thing. What we are going to do, we are going to take this shape text here and this text here. But some of you ask how the effect of text is coming. It's something from here. You see, these are these effects. You can use them to create your shapes, and the more important thing that we use in that shape is that you can go to text option and use gradient fill as a fill of your text. It's a really easy thing. But the important thing that we are going to do, we are going to create the size of this text to 1 and then put it here. I can't see very well. Okay, it's good. Now we put it here and then we need to increase the size of this icon. How? We press Ctrl and Shift and increase it in size. Okay, now just set the transition to morph and we just wait for the magic to appear. I hope you like my video. If you like them, please like and subscribe and don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments.